Hey, good morning. A lot of times in life, most of the battle, half the battle, 90% of the battle, depending on which pundit you're listening to, most of the battle is just showing up, just getting there, just being present, just making yourself available. If you just show up, you have a better than even chance of winning the business, of being successful, of making things happen. You know, when I was a kid, I used to play basketball, 8th grade basketball. I remember that we had a game and my mom was in the stands. She showed up. She didn't know anything about basketball. She hardly knew that the ball was round, but she showed up. Of course, she looked at her magazine the whole time, but she was there. She was in the stands. And to this day, I still remember the fact that my mom showed up, and I felt great about it because I knew that a lot of other people's parents weren't able to show up, or they didn't show up. They didn't care. But having that person in your life show up meant so much to me. All right, this is Mike. Make it a great day.